Hey guys, let's see how to reset a Blink Mini 2 camera. As you can see, the camera is here, it's working, see the image here. Okay, working pretty fine. And then I want to reset the camera, and there's a trick. The reset button is under the camera. Let me just move the cell phone aside here. You see that I have the Blink module working here as well. And then to reset the camera, I just need to pull this off. And here you see reset button. So I just need to press and hold. You see here the LED right now it's blue, steady blue. So I press and hold and wait for it to change the status here of the LED. There we go. Now it's flashing both of them. And now it starts just flashing the blue one. Okay. Now the camera is reset and it's ready for the setup. So super simple. After the setup, we're gonna have the status here changing to steady blue. Okay, and this will be steady green in the final setup, right? Just like you have here with the Blink module. So pretty easy. That's the way you can reset a Blink Mini 2 camera. Just remove here the base and you're gonna see the reset button just right here. Okay, I hope this helps. Leave your comments here and also give your thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you in the next video.